Hi everyone, I'm Christine Mattis of the Mattis Law Firm. No one knows your child as well as you. You are a walking encyclopedia of your child, and you know everything from what they love to eat, from their favorite TV shows, and how they speak and the jokes they love to hear. But what would happen if you weren't around to give this care to your child? Well, it would be very hard to see that caregivers would have to take your place without a roadmap, especially if your child has special needs. To help your caregivers take your place and help your child, especially if they're disabled, you want to give them a roadmap, and that's the role and purpose of the Love Note. Here are 3 reasons why you should have the Love Note. Number 1, family history. You want to address your letter of intent to whom it may concern or to those who are caring for my child. And you want to include there the history of your grandparents, your parents, cultural information, and fun anecdotes that'll help give your caregiver more information about who your child is, things that they should know about your family, and really help guide them as they help them grow up. Number 2, a general overview. This portion could be a little daunting because you want to provide as much information to your caregiver about your child. Tell them how they were born, when they were born, who was around, what they love to eat, drink, and what they love to do for fun. You want to provide as much information to your caregiver so they are able to see your child as the vivid, lively child that you have, and you want them to grow up knowing them as much as possible. Number 3, daily schedule. You want to provide as much information to your caregiver about what is their day-to-day schedule and routine like. I had learned in the past that when I did my letter of intent, I have to do it in pencil because sometimes these routine changes as they grow up. You want to put down what time do they like to get up, what do they wear, how do they put on their clothes, what time do they go to school, and what time throughout the day they do things. It's so important to keep a routine. I know with my daughter, routine is so essential, and if the routine changes, we want to put that in our letter of intent. This helps for a smoother transition for your child. This helps your caregiver understand and what's expected of them and your loved one. And there you have it, the top 3 reasons why you should have a letter of intent. You know, this letter of intent doesn't have to be formal. It's basically informal, but it's one of the most important documents that you can have in your estate planning documents. If you want to know more about this, please contact our firm. We'd be so happy to discuss with you more of the reasons why you should have this document and answer more of your questions.